Welcome back, Cobra Knights. So today we are changing out one of the toilets. I don't know how many we have left to change, right? Is this? No, this is the last one. That one's already changed. It's just what was it? It's a issue with the pipe, but that one was already changed. That's a new toilet in there. So I think this might be the last toilet in the house. Yeah. Yes. Again, questioning me. I believe this is the last toilet that we actually needed to change out, and we finally got one. I feel like it was a good deal. It was $1.99 at Lowe's, and they hadn't been that price, and I don't know. I hadn't found one, so now I found it on sale. Excuse me. I went ahead and got it. So we wanted to keep the same black toilet because of this countertop. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change it out. Now that we have our gloves, a wrench, and a towel, and something to scrape the old wax ring off, we're going to attempt to take the water line off.
I think. Yeah.
As you can see, we're kind of struggling a little bit to get the water line off, but that's fine. Just keep at it. It'll eventually come off.
To the left.
This is what we have so far. We're going to ignore that. We couldn't find any more paint, but we got the bottom part down. Yay!
Did y'all glue it?
Glue it? No, we put the wax ring down. We didn't put the nuts back over the bolt, and now we just have to put the top part on.
And then y'all done.
I think so. So again, because we're only replacing a pre-existing toilet, we didn't have to replace the floor flange. We just scraped up the old wax ring, put a new wax ring down, and secured the base of the toilet. Now here we're just trying to put the tank on. We have the tank on. We're putting on the lid. Now we're just attaching the toilet seat.
It snaps on there.
Mine not going as smoothly as yours sound like it's going. It ain't even on there.
Once we have our toilet seat installed, the last thing we're going to do is reconnect that water shutoff valve.
Ugh.
You turned it all the way, so you can't turn it on?
Yeah, the water scared me. Here we go. A little brown swirl.
Just in the
think we're
water.
still on.
Okay.
Hey,
Yay!
I have a sweaty.
Okay. We hope this helps. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.